everyone. Today I am walking you through the step-by-step process of booking your USA F1 visa appointment, whether you are a student or scholar. This guide will help you navigate through the booking process hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your passport, university acceptance letter, DS-160 confirmation page, 7th fee receipt, and any other required documents ready. Next, go to the official US visa appointment booking website. Enter your DS-160 confirmation number and select your location. Here is where you choose your preferred appointment date and time. Keep in mind, availability can vary, so it is good to check frequently for open slots. After selecting your slot, you will need to pay the visa application fee. Make sure to have your payment method ready. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email with details of your appointment. Double check everything and prepare for your interview day. And that's it. Follow these steps, stay organized, and you will be all set for your USA F1 visa appointment. Good luck and safe travels. Have questions or need more advice? Drop them in the comments below.